Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your business account on Experian. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in experian.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Experian. Now, in order to log into your business account, click on Business or Small Business depending on your business type at the top left section. You will now see the Client Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it, and then you can choose your login portal. You will now be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and enter your user ID or your customer ID within the customer ID box, and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the Sign In button and you will be logged into your Experian business account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password underneath the password box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your business account on Experian. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.